Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to withdraw your earnings from Shrinkearn to PayPal. First, in the main page, click on Login, and enter your username and password to sign in. This is the dashboard, and in the top you can see the available balance. Next you have to go to the settings and click on Profile. Scroll down to the Withdrawal Info section. Here you can see each withdrawal method, and its minimum withdrawal amount. Choose the PayPal option in the withdrawal method menu, and in the withdrawal account type in your PayPal email address. Make sure you type the correct email address, and click on Submit. Now the profile has been updated. Now click on Withdraw option. Here you can see the withdrawal funds and the available balance that you can withdraw. Click on Withdraw. Then click on OK. Your withdrawal has been requested and under review. It will be on the pending withdrawn section. Here you can see the status and the details, and the withdrawal account that it will be sent to. The available balance is now 0. After the transaction is now done, here you can see the status is now completed. And it has been sent via PayPal to the withdrawal account. Here in PayPal, if you get to the recent activity, as you can see here, I got my earnings in my PayPal account, and the transaction and its details is showing up. That's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and leave a like if it helped you. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. See you soon in my next video.